Well, hey guys, thanks so much for checking out this video today. If you're watching this, then you want to know how do you change this doorknob in your own home. And so I'm going to show you how that you can do that. The main tool you're going to need is a screwdriver. One tool that might make this a little easier is this little extended kind of snake from a power drill. It's pretty easy. You can actually able to get around the doorknob a little easier. You don't have to have it, but I'm going to leave a link in the description in case you're interested. There's a couple bucks on Amazon, but we're going to go ahead and dive in and show you guys how you can change a doorknob in your own home. Well, hey guys, we're going to go ahead and take these screws out of the front of the handle. This will be your first step in the process. You can take the screws out. Pretty long screws, but you can just take them all the way out right here. Once you get them out, the reason I'm actually changing this in my own home is because it broke, so there will be some pieces probably falling off or missing in this. And once you've kind of gotten this out, the next thing you can do is kind of hold the two sides, because as you can tell, they're trying to fall out. You can hold the two sides like this and they just should ease out. And this side as well, just both kind of ease out. And as you can tell, the piece in here is broken. But the next thing you're going to need to do is actually just go ahead and take this striker plate off and try to get to this mechanism right here. Real easy again, just some real easy screws. Go ahead and pop those out. Keep that screw. Pop this out as well. Then you can just remove this piece right here. It's actually broken. That's again why we had to replace ours. And you can actually grab your new doorknob set and then we'll put them back in. Well, hey guys, now you can actually grab your new striker plate and put this on. One thing you want to make sure you see right here, that this slanted edge, this beveled edge actually goes into the door. If it's the other way around, it won't work. It'll get stuck. And so make sure this part is going into the door so the door can actually push it and slide it in. You can go ahead and put these little screws in right here. Yes, it is the next day. If you guys do have kids, then you understand how a 5-minute project can turn into a couple days. But they were crying last night, so we had to switch this up. But you can go ahead and put this striker plate in. Then you're going to take your two different handles. You got these two different handles here. One little thing you need to make sure that the lock part is on the inside, whether that's you're putting a handle on the outside of your house or you're putting a handle on the outside of a room. Make sure that goes on the outside, or excuse me, the inside, so you can lock it. But it has this little beveled end right here, as you can kind of see, a little crescent, and it actually fits right into this striker plate right here. In order to put it in, you actually have to push in right here. It slides right in. Then you're going to put the little ends like this. You're going to just kind of slide those in. They have two little holes in there. And then you're trying to match it up with this other side right here, and I'll kind of show you that. You can see what it looks like a little bit better now. But you're going to just slide this in, put those in, and then just put your screws in. This is a little tough because you got to line them up just right. I'll back it out a little bit and kind of try to start the screws with my hand. Same thing right here. If the screws get going in pretty quick, that means you know you got it. So back them out a little bit. Got it. So then you can screw them in, and I'll show you what to do next. One other quick thing, when you're actually tightening this, what I do recommend is you actually wait to tighten all the way down and make sure that it's adjusted. As you can tell, the other doorknob I had right here actually left like a little rim, and so you can actually line it up, make sure that it's where you want it. You can cover that rim up so that you won't have to see that, and then go ahead and tighten the screws all the way down. Hold it on both sides, tighten the screws all the way down, and then it'll look a lot cleaner, and you won't be able to see that other rim. You can make sure that it stays tight on there like that. As you can tell, everything is in there, works just right, pushed in, looks good, lock works just right, locked on both sides. There you go, there you have it. And if this video did help you today, if you would leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'd love to know in the comments, was this easy or was it hard or even was it helpful? But I hope you guys have a great day, and we'll check you in the next one.